Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from TVCMALL. This is a phone case that has a 4-color e-ink back to it that you can actually show off your own photos or a bunch of different photos from the app that they already have, and you can even use AI to generate your own images. Now I have the one for the S24 Ultra, but they also make this for the iPhone lines as well. Check my link in the description to go check out the phones they offer this case for. We're going to dig into it now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's get this out of the box, and you can see that we're really going to get the phone case itself and not much else. Now I've done some testing on this, but this is how it comes boxed up. You'll get the phone case, you'll also get a user guide via QR code, and that's pretty much it. This runs off of NFC, so you just have to have NFC enabled on your phone to transmit the app images to the back of the phone. You can see we've got a nice velvety insert in here to keep your phone from getting scratched. It says DIY on the inside, and this is for the S24 Ultra. They also make them for iPhones and other phones as well, so check them out. Good cutouts around the phone here for all of your ports. You do have button covers, which I like because you get that tactile feedback. You got your dual microphones at the top and a nice cutout for the cameras. And you can see on the back here, we've got this a picture, an e-ink picture here, worry less, live more. That's just one that I put up here myself, but there are hundreds, if not thousands, that you can use in the app, and you can also use AI generation to generate your own unique images, or you can use ones off your phone that are already stored inside your phone gallery from when you took them. So let's put this in here, the S24 Ultra, and get it going. And again, if you have an iPhone or another phone, you can probably get this case for that as well. I just happen to have the S24 Ultra, so that's what I'll be testing on today. Now you can see this looks really good. Again, we've got very nice protection, raised protection for my cameras. So as a case, this is going to work out really well. It's still slim and not going to add a lot of bulk, and still fairly protective. You can see we've got lips at the top and the bottom, and a little bit of a lip on the side here in case I want to show off the picture that I'm using and have this face down. I don't have any issues there either. Okay, so the app you're going to need is called CaseCon. You can get it for iOS or for Android. NFC needs to be enabled on your phone because that's how it transmits the image. So I'm going to turn on NFC to make sure that it's there. It's going to say new tag scanned because it's already on the phone, and we're good to go. So now we've got this set up here where we can choose the camera at the top, so I can take a picture and then use that as my background, or my photos. So if you've got photos, you can do that, and you can allow limited access, all access, or don't select more. So you can allow access only to certain pictures in your gallery, or all of the pictures if you want, or you can take a picture with the existing camera. So if I want to take a picture of, say, Dr. Strange here real quick, I can do that, and we can take a quick picture here, and we can say OK, and it's going to give us some options here. You can adjust the color, adjustments, the image, the color adjustment for brightness, contrast, and saturation. So we can adjust those if we want. We can adjust the filters. We can add filters to it. We can also add text to the photo as well. So if you want to add text, you can. And you can see, click to enter text. And you can also add stickers as well. Once I have it looking like I want it, I will hit the arrow there, and you can see that you can do exquisite, which is color, and it does up to 4 different colors, or black and white style. And we can now do a shot screen. It's going to transmit the data here. I'm going to do it in color. And again, it's not going to be super high resolution, but it's going to look good on the back of your phone. You'll see that we now look at the back of the phone. It flickers a bunch of times as it's uploading here, but once it's done, you'll get a final product. And there is the final product, so not too bad for just a quick shot here. I got some shadow in the corner there that I could get rid of. But overall, pretty cool that you can just take a phone shot and you can upload that as the background on your case. Now again, we've got a ton of different things in the app, like the AI, and if you hit the AI button at the bottom, you can use AI to generate a picture that is unique to you. You've got other things like poetry tools, cartoons, memes, arts, and holiday. So we've got a ton of different categories here if we want to use. So if I want to use, say, this mouse with cheese, very easy, just select it. Then I can adjust anything that I want to adjust with it. And then I can click the arrow when I'm happy with the image. I can either make it black and white, or I can leave it in color. And I can share it or collect it, which means collecting it will put it in my collection in the app so that I don't have to go and find it again. And then I can just upload it to the back of the device. And again, it will take just a few moments when it flickers here and it's switching over for the image to finalize. And once it is finalized, again, takes about 10 to 15 seconds here. You can see we'll have a final image up here of this mouse with a piece of cheese. And this actually looks pretty cool on my phone. I'm pretty impressed with this, the fact that you can use AI to generate any image that you would like. And this is just something that can spruce up the back of your phone. You can use this to change your images whenever you would like to whatever you would like. So you have that option here. Now this also works with wireless charging, so you're not going to have to give up anything. It's just using NFC to transmit the image. So this works just fine on a wireless charger. Don't have any issues with that. And again, it's a minimal case here. It's not going to add a lot of bulk, but it does give you the protections that you need, like lip protection for your screen and protection for your back cameras. So if you're interested in this and you want to check it out, check out the link in the description for TVCMALL. They have this for several different versions of phones, not just Samsung phones, iPhones as well. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.